Here we have a Milwaukee magnetic base drill press. This is a fixed base on here. We just checked the magnet. Magnet operates fine. We're going to go forward, and it's variable speed. Shut the unit off. Now we're going to try reverse here. Same thing. The head moves up and down smoothly, you can see. Shut the unit off. It's got a little ding right here on the ruler. Okay, there's a little portion right there, and also the cord right here got a little ding, a little scuff. It still operates fine despite that stuff. And we have the instruction manual, a chuck key, and your hold down chain.